Hey there, welcome to vlog 4 of our trip to Prague. We are now on our way to fulfill one of perhaps maybe even the last thing on our bucket list, which is to go on a boat tour. And there are plenty to choose from. We chose a 55-minute one and looking forward to it. It's a very sunny day today, the day we're leaving, and it will be sunny tomorrow, so I'll go well. And in London it was very warm while we were away, but now it's going to be like 16 degrees or something tomorrow. And raining, yeah. Oh well. Now it's our turn to finally go on the boat. Okay, we actually wanted to sit at the very back, but now it's taken, maybe we should sit at the very front. What do you reckon? I love boat doors and stuff like that, so I'm looking forward to it. Other than enjoying the beautiful views, we were also told loads of historical facts about Prague. The river is called Vltava, and Prague is one of the best preserved historical capitals in Europe. Its entire historic center, including Prague Castle, the Charles Bridge, the Old Town, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, recognized for its architectural harmony of Gothic, Renaissance and Baroque styles. Unlike many other European cities, Prague was spared from major bombing during the World War II, allowing its medieval streets, churches and centuries-old bridges to remain intact. Then we enjoyed a long walk around the beautiful city. And soon after we were at the airport and on our way back to London. Please like and subscribe. And until the next time, bye!